Fix Wait Are You Human? ON Discord Captcha Error Fix 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you tried to log into Discord or create a new account, and you got
How to
hit with
use
that
Claude.
super annoying wait. Are you human? Captcha screen that just keeps spinning, failing, or looping over and over again. Incredibly frustrating, I know. But do not worry because in this video, I am going to walk you through every single fix step by step so you can get back into Discord fast. Let's get straight into it. Before we fix anything, let us quickly understand why Discord throws this CAPTCHA at you in the first place. Discord uses CAPTCHA verification to protect against bots, spam accounts, and suspicious login activity. The CAPTCHA triggers when Discord detects unusual behavior on your account or network, things like logging in from a new device, using a VPN, switching locations, making too many login attempts too quickly, or accessing Discord from a flagged IP address. Once you understand the trigger, the fix becomes much clearer. This is the number one cause of the Discord CAPTCHA loop in 2026. If you have a VPN running, turn it off completely. VPNs mask your real IP address and route your traffic through shared servers that Discord has often already flagged as suspicious or bot-like. Discord's security system sees the VPN IP and immediately throws up a CAPTCHA wall. Turn off your VPN, close Discord completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. In the majority of cases, this single fix resolves the problem immediately. If you must use a VPN for privacy reasons, try switching to a different VPN server location or use a premium VPN with dedicated IP addresses that are less likely to be flagged. If you are using Discord in a web browser and the CAPTCHA keeps looping or failing to load, the problem is almost certainly corrupted cache or cookies. Here is exactly how to fix it. On Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. Select All Time as the time range, check cookies and other site data, check cached images and files, and click Clear Data. Then close the tab completely, go back to discord.com and try logging in fresh. On Firefox, click the three-line menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, scroll to Cookies and Site Data, and click Clear Data. Then refresh and try again. After clearing cache and cookies, the CAPTCHA page should load and function correctly without looping. Sometimes the CAPTCHA issue is browser-specific. If you're using Discord in Chrome and the CAPTCHA keeps failing, try switching to Firefox, Edge, or Brave and log in from there instead. A fresh browser with no stored Discord data will often load the CAPTCHA cleanly and let you through on the first attempt. Even better, download and install the official Discord desktop app from discord.com/download. The desktop app bypasses many browser-related CAPTCHA issues entirely and provides a more stable login environment. If you have been struggling with the browser version, the desktop app is almost always the fastest fix. If your IP address has been flagged by Discord's security system, resetting your connection can assign you a fresh IP and clear the block. Start by turning off your router or modem, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. This often assigns a new IP address from your internet provider which Discord will not have flagged yet. Next, flush your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. On Mac, open Terminal and type the command sudo dscashutil-flushcache, followed by sudo killall-hup mdns responder and press Enter. After flushing DNS, reopen Discord and try logging in again. This clears any cached network data that could be causing the CAPTCHA to trigger. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy shields, and script blockers, frequently interfere with CAPTCHA systems. Discord's CAPTCHA is powered by HCAPTCHA and certain extensions actively block or break it from loading properly, causing the endless loop you are experiencing. Temporarily disable all your browser extensions. Go to your browser's extension manager, turn them all off one by one, then reload the Discord login page and attempt the CAPTCHA again. If it works, turn your extensions back on one at a time to identify which specific one was causing the conflict. Common culprits include uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and NoScript. If none of the above fixes have worked yet, the issue may be tied to your specific device fingerprint or your entire network being flagged. Try logging into Discord from a completely different device, your phone instead of your computer, or a different computer entirely. Also, try switching from your home Wi-Fi to your mobile data connection. A different network means a completely different IP address, and Discord's CAPTCHA system will treat it as a clean, fresh connection. If you have tried absolutely everything and the CAPTCHA is still blocking you, your account or IP may have been flagged at a deeper level that requires manual review. Go to support.discord.com, Click Submit a request and describe your situation clearly. Include your account email, the device and browser you are using, and explain that you are stuck in a Captcha loop. Discord's support team can manually verify your account and whitelist your access. And those are your 7 fixes for the Discord Wait, Are You Human? Captcha error in 2026. Turn off your VPN, clear your cache and cookies, switch your browser or use the desktop app, reset your internet and flush DNS, disable browser extensions, try a different device or network. And if all else fails, contact Discord support directly. One of these fixes will absolutely solve your problem. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech fix guides, and drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. I will catch you in the next one. Quick recap: 7 fixes. Fix Action 1.